Good afternoon, this is Miss Bethann, and today we're going to be making brownies in a mug. Now normally you make brownies in a big pan, but today I'm going to be teaching you how to make it in a mug, and that's simply because it's much quicker to make it in a mug, and sometimes you want a quick dessert just for yourself, and this is the perfect dessert. So we have sugar, flour, cocoa powder, a Hershey's unsweetened cocoa mix, and it's bitter right now, so it's not going to taste very good if you try to taste it. We have salt, chocolate chips, milk. We have canola oil, or you could use vegetable oil, and we have vanilla flavor. So we're going to begin. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and this is about 3, I'm sorry. Perfect, 3. Okay, and we will need 3 tablespoons of flour. Now I use the back of the knife to give me a more accurate measurement. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of our cocoa powder. 1, and I don't have a half tablespoon, so I'm just going to kind of guess. Okay, and then we need a pinch of salt, and add a few chocolate chips to make it a little more chocolatey. And we're going to give it a nice stir. Move everything out of the way here. Just mix up all the dry ingredients. Now we're going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of the of the oil. Okay, and we're going to be doing 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of our vanilla. Now, the recipe does call for vanilla extract, which is a little more potent than the imitation vanilla flavoring, but it is okay to use this if that's all you have. Still will taste delicious either way. Then we're going to give it a little stir. Try to get all the lumps out. And if you want a little more chocolatey, you can add a few chocolate chips here as well after it's all stirred up. Now, the recipe says this will take about 90 seconds, and microwaves do vary in temperature, so it may take longer, it may take shorter, and sometimes it depends on the type of mug you use. So we're going to start off, about 1.5 minutes and see how that goes. When it is done, it will not look shiny or wet anymore, and it will look kind of spongy. So I'm going to stick it in the microwave. Make sure you remember to put down, when you take it out, put down a little hot pad and use a hot pad or an oven mitt to take it out of the microwave so you do not burn yourself. It came out perfect in 1.5 minutes, and it's nice and spongy and looks delicious. So I'm going to top it off with powdered sugar because I love the look of powdered sugar with the brownies, and I love the little sweet taste. Now, some people may prefer ice cream, and that's okay, or you may just prefer just brownies and nothing else. There you go. There is our brownies in a mug. I hope you enjoyed your cooking class today, and I hope you had fun, and I encourage you to continue to make this at home. Have a super day, and I hope we see you at the library soon. Bye-bye.